channel, welcome back to my channel. I am finally doing a review on these shoes that I got from ASOS. First of all, I've heard about ASOS like through other big YouTubers, but I've never personally ordered from ASOS. But when I seen that they had these shoes that I wanted from Converse that I had been looking for everywhere and they did not have my size, I jumped on it, okay? And so I'm tall, right? And I have big feet. I know it's a few tall girls that have like smaller feet, but baby, I got some planks and I ain't afraid to admit it. Okay, so I got the Converse Run Star Hike Ox canvas sneakers in black. Okay, black is my favorite color. Black and white is like my favorite combo ever. It's so classic, so let's go ahead and get into this, okay? So, okay, I got the color black and I got them in a women's size 10.5 because I wanted, I think, did it say go up? I'm not sure if it did, but I'm pretty sure it said that. Maybe not, don't quote me. And then in total they were $119. The regular price $110, and then sales tax is $9.08. And I used Afterpay. I'm not afraid to admit it, but they are paid off. And so it came in this package. Like I said, black and white is my favorite combo ever. It's so like classic. It says ASOS, black and white. And let's cut this open. Here they are. And they have their like new shoe smell. Like I can smell it from I really hope that y'all cannot just hear me sniff the box, but I can smell the shoes from just like outside of the box. So Converse, of course, boom. And let's open them. Ooh, these shoes look long as hell, and they are. So let's get the first. These are cute. Okay, so the reason why I wanted this shoe so bad is not because it was trending. I just get stuff that look cute to me. And so I love shoes that have like the little ridges on the bottom. And I thought that this was so cute with this little tan right here. And of course it has the All-Star logo right there. Period, poo, period, dot, doo 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 doo, woo woo woo. These are cute. 10.5. Yes. Let's put the box down. First reaction, okay, I can see that it catches like lint and stuff. So that's something. But let's see. It looks like they just took like a regular like Converse shoe, because you can see it. And like just put this little platform on the bottom. I mean, that doesn't bother me. Just a little bit, because the whites, they're not the same, and you can tell. You probably can't tell on the camera, but I can tell sitting right here looking at them. But I mean, it ain't no bother for me, you know, honey. Okay, what foot is this? Let's try these on. Okay, so I have the shoe on, and I'm glad that I actually got a 10.5, because if I would have got a size 10, it probably would have been too small, and I actually could have went up to a size 11. So my foot size ranges between a 10 and 11. Big planks. I'm like La Cienega for the Proud Family when she had them long feet. That's me, and that's fine. So here's the shoe. I want to show y'all the shoe, but I don't want to get up. Okay, here's the shoe on my foot, and if I'm ashy, y'all don't even worry about it. But here's the shoe on my foot, and honey, that's all y'all can get from me right now. So with this shoe, I would wear thinner socks, just because I could feel like my socks not that thick that I have on now, and then I have to relace it to, you know, to my liking, so I can feel it better on my foot. But honestly, these shoes, I feel like they are worth the price, and I know that it's gonna be real cute, so I'm gonna style them on my Instagram whenever I get back to taking pictures, like getting cute and taking pictures. So make sure y'all follow me on all my social media platforms. I will leave a link down below to the shoes. Hopefully they're still available, but like if y'all got small feet, y'all don't have to worry about it. But for all my big feet girls, what's good? Team big feet, period. But I definitely leave that link down for y'all. Make sure y'all follow all my social media. Make sure y'all like this video and leave a comment, and make sure y'all subscribe to the Brownie Squad. Gang gang, period. Okay, here I go doing too much again, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Okay, so I did want to come back and add that I think it's stupid that the logo is on the inside of the shoe, because while I was like taking the thumbnail for this video, I'm like, why is it, so this is the right shoe, this is the left shoe, and so when you're walking, I mean, you can see the stars on the back, but like when you're walking, you can't see the logo, which that's stupid to me. So that's probably the only thing that I did, okay, other than like the 2 color different whites about this shoe. They could have, why y'all do that, Converse? Like, I like the logo on the outside, but yeah, I just wanna, you know, hop in and say that while I am taking the thumbnail for this. I'm like, what the, that's so stupid. This is the right left. That's so stupid. Look at that.